Hi everybody, this is Purbasha and I hope you're all doing good. This is my third fondant cake and I made this cake for my friend's daughter's first birthday party. And the theme for the party is Tinkerbell, so I tried to incorporate as many elements of Tinkerbell into this cake. I'm not a big Tinkerbell fan, so I had to really Google and search for it. But what I realized is that a lot of flowers and mushrooms, butterflies, and I tried to put those elements in the cake. So let me just take you close to the cake so you can see what I have done. I have a few flowers down here and then a mushroom beside it, and then some grass elements that I made with gum paste and more flowers. And on the top, what I did was that my friend had a really cool Tinkerbell crystal cake topper. Not a cake topper, I would say a figurine. So we thought we could use it as a cake topper. And so I made a huge big flower over here. And what we can do is we can put the Tinkerbell over here. And then there's some mushroom. And I want to put some silver balls, the small degrees, I guess they're called, around it so that the cake has a little glitter on it. I think I'm gonna also do a little petal dust on the flowers. I'm not sure. Any suggestions would be great. So to begin with the construction of the cake, I as per Laura's suggestions, and thank you Laura for that, I went and checked out Edna's videos, and thank you Edna for uploading such great tutorials. I was able to make a really nice crusty buttercream coating for the cake. And then after I did the fondant, I think the fondant still needs a lot of work. I mean, I need a lot of practice, but I think I went a really long step from my first cake. And my second cake, well, I'm gonna add those pictures at the end of this video. It was really a disaster. It was not worth even taking a video. And I feel sorry for the friend for whom I made that cake. It didn't make it in one big piece. So I'm gonna add those pictures later. I became super enthusiastic, and I did something, I think I did something that needed a lot of practice. I tried to make a 3D cake and it just was a disaster. Anyway, for this cake, as I said, I still think I need a lot of work over here, but I'm overall pretty satisfied with the progress in my fondant work. One question I had for all the all my YouTube friends is that when I was trying to put this ribbon around the cake, I had the biggest challenge for me was to level it all at the same height. So at the end, what happened is, if you see near the junction, it got a little droopy over here, the fondant. It seems like not in the same level, and I had to manage it with the daisy flowers. So any suggestions how to make ribbons that look like at the same level throughout the cake would be really great. And then with the bow too, I don't know, I made the bow with the gum paste, but it somehow feels like it's drooping down. It's I won't say it's hard as a rock, but it's not soft and soggy also. So I don't know, maybe it's a little too heavy, or maybe I need a little more practice. And these are the small flowers that I made using the daisies cutters, and they came out really cute. So that's it for this cake. I do not have much to say, but any comments or compliments or any suggestions would be great for me to improve on my next cake. So hope to hear from you soon. Bye and have a nice day. Take care.